Hello there, I'm Dill. Today I'm unboxing a Shenggelan from this is a high definition cable, and it's actually a HDMI cable, but not branded as one for some reason. 3 meters length, A1592. Actually, let's just go ahead and open this up. So, scissors, I guess. Well, that failed. Let's try again. Yes. I'm being a bit rough, but it's just a HDMI cable. I mean, I doubt this will be defective. So, nice gold thing cable tied to it. Mr.DIY smell, normal affair. So this is the thing, and this is at the back. Okay, we've seen this earlier already. That's another side. No instructions or nothing. And let's go ahead just quickly unravel this. So it is slightly damaged, as you might be able to see. Not the best, but quite thick. Got the plastic connector at the top back. Come on, camera, you can focus. Okay. It's got a bit of texture finish in this. HDMI, and on the other end, HDMI. What does the cable read? High speed performance HDTV something with OFC. So that just drop the whole cable. 3 meters, 20 ringgit. Unboxing. Blue accent again. Unbranded, not braided, fine. Okay, thank you for watching.